Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports XP1000 aluminum wind diffuser. This diffuser fits the 2024 Plus Polaris RZR XP1000 2 and 4 door models. Install time is around 20 to 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by setting the diffuser in place between the dashboard and hood plastics. It should rest in there perfectly. Then, line the diffuser up between the two sides of the roll cage, and center the mounting holes on the bars, the best you can. Next, clamp the diffuser in place, on each side. Now, using a scribe tool, or a center punch, mark the center of all 4 mounting holes onto the cage. There are 2 mounting holes, on each side of the vehicle. Next, remove the clamps, then, remove the diffuser, and set it aside. Now, take an 1/8 inch, or 3 mm drill bit, and in the center of each mark made, drill a pilot hole, as shown here. Then, repeat this step on the other side of the vehicle. Next, using a 9/32 inch, or 6.5 mm drill bit, drill a larger hole from the pilot holes previously drilled. Note, the size of the hole should be just a fraction larger than the nut cert, or rib nut you are going to install. You want the rib nut to insert snugly. So, double check the drill size being used. It's better to start smaller, and go up a size. Next, grab the nut cert, or rib nut tool, screw on the rib nut, and insert it into the drilled hole. Then, squeeze to compress the nut in place, and remove the tool. If not sure how to install a rib nut, there are many how-to videos on the web to learn how. Now, do this to both top and bottom holes, and on each side of the vehicle. Next, with the rib nuts installed, pick up the wind diffuser, and set it in place. Then, align the diffuser up with the mounting holes, and hand thread in each bolt. Now, go back and tighten each side down, using a 3mm Allen wrench. And just like that, you are done. Congrats, that completes your DRT XP1000 aluminum wind diffuser install. This aluminum wind diffuser provides riders with wind protection without the hassle and heat of a full windshield. Made of aerospace grade 6061 aluminum, to be lightweight and strong, the wind diffuser is finished in a powder coat for a long-lasting and durable finish. The diffuser provides the right amount of directional airflow to get the wind out of riders' faces at high speeds and still clear dust from inside the vehicle. Beyond the functionality, all DRT wind diffusers add aggressive styling to your UTV. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.